warm cooperative greetings to the men and women, to the officers and board of directors of the Philippine Cooperative Center on your 25th Annual General Assembly, guided by your hardworking, dynamic, passionate, and ever beautiful, the goddess of the cooperative movement in our country, Dr. Divina Kenny. The theme, Forging a New Path, Building a Common Cooperative Agenda, captures the essence of the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. It is through forging new paths that we can adapt to the evolving landscape and shape a brighter future for the cooperative community. Cooperatives have always been at the forefront of championing inclusivity, equality, and mutual respect. They have proven time and again that collective action yields transformative results. As you reflect on the milestones achieved and the lives impacted, let us not forget the power we possess to effect positive change. Today, my dear cooperators, leaders, and advocates of the cooperative movement, I speak before you as a witness to the resilience and the indomitable spirit that defines the cooperative movement. The impact of your efforts and endeavors has reached far beyond economic prosperity. It permeates the very fabric of society, uplifting individuals, families, and communities. Through your tireless efforts, you have fostered collaboration, knowledge sharing, and the building of bridges between cooperatives. Your leadership has been instrumental in shaping the cooperative landscape. As you gather in your assembly, may you seize this moment to reimagine the cooperative agenda, to embrace innovation, and to cultivate an environment of inclusivity and collaboration. May this annual General Assembly serve as a catalyst for inspiration, dialogue, and commitment to the cooperative values that we hold. Once again, on behalf of the Cooperative Development Authority, congratulations to all my friends in the Philippine Cooperative Center. May you prosper more for the greater good of our sector. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po.